guys, it's Ava. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ava. And in today's video, we are going to be doing an edible slime. But before we get started, make sure you guys smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, press the bell so you don't miss any of my videos. But before we get started, I want to give a big shout out to my guy, Bob the Builder, who commented on one of my videos to do an edible slime and who also commented that he was a subscriber. So thank you. Big shout out to you. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's go. Alright guys, also I am just so sorry I did not post in a while. That was because I was on vacation because summer is almost ending. Alright, now I'm going to show you all the ingredients we're going to need to make the edible slime. So first, there's 3 different types of marshmallows. Thank you. So there's the mini marshmallows, the medium marshmallows, and the big marshmallows. I'm just going to mix all of them, but I recommend the mediums. And then next, we're going to need the powdered sugar. And then also, I'm going to have a placemat here, just because we're going to have to sprinkle powdered sugar all down and then knead the slime with our hands. And also, I have dry paper towels and wet paper towels on the side, just in case if anything goes wrong. And then I also have a bowl, 1 spoon to mix, 1 spoon of powdered sugar, measuring spoon, then a big bag of powdered sugar, just in case if we need extra. So let's get started on making this. Let's go! Alright guys, so welcome back to my magical placemat. The last video in the kitchen was actually in the 4-tiered 2-layer cake video. So let's get the bowl in here. We don't need that yet. So I'm gonna use like 1 of these and like a ton of these and maybe a few mini marshmallows. So let's just get the big giant marshmallow and just chop off. Are you eating one? Seriously, these are for some more. You might want to save them. Alright, now time for the mediums. So I have like 5 mediums right here, maybe like 2 more, 3 more. Alright guys, so these are the marshmallows. Now before, I'm just going to take a half a tablespoon of powdered sugar and just place that in with the marshmallows. And we're not going to stir that. Alright guys, now it's time to put this in the microwave. What's wrong? Alright guys, so we have the magical marshmallows here with a dash of powdered sugar. Now it's time to put them in the microwave. We always want to put this bad boy over so the marshmallows don't splatter all over the microwave. And then you're just going to put it in for 1 minute and let that start. So just go. Oh guys, it's done!
Take it out with the thing on top.
Alright guys, so I will see you in a second once I get this stuff out. Alright guys, so this is super melted like how we want it. Wait, give me the mitten just in case if I need to like touch the bowl. Okay. Alright, now we're gonna add some powdered sugar. And you're just gonna stir that in. Guys, this is not a tutorial.
Huh?
What? This is not a tutorial because I basically never make edible slime. I just like know a recipe from me baking a lot and making actual slime. So heads up. I really need a second hand, but I don't have a second mitten. Okay. Alright. Now it's time, everyone, to take this sugar out. But we're just gonna add in a little more powdered sugar just to be safe. What?
You have that much left?
No, I did. That's not all. I still have to put some down on the placemat. This is super sticky. We're definitely gonna have to wash this mitten. Wash the mitten, we'll wash the mitten. Wash the mitten, we'll wash the mitten. Alright guys, now it's time to take this out. Alright guys, so now it's time to take this sucker out. So let's just... Wait! But before we take it out, everyone, we have to put powdered sugar. See, I told you what he did. So we're just gonna... Don't eat all of it yet, though. So we're just gonna put some powdered sugar on. I don't know why I'm talking like this. It's like so crazy. Like, oh my gosh. Let's just add some more powdered sugar to this so it's not sticky. Right, it's not ready to eat. So, wait, why do I, okay. Now this is all gonna stick to the spoon, isn't it? And now it's all gonna stick to my hand, isn't it? Guys, look at this slime! Woohoo!
It's really sticky slime.
Yeah, I know. Okay. Woo! Woo!
Wait, you wash your hands, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Okay. Okay, guys. This is like stuck on my hands. Guys, this is like seriously stuck on my hands. Like, oh my gosh. Okay. What? It's edible slime because Bob the Builder requested it. Why do you love powdered sugar? Okay, that's just... How am I supposed to get this off of my hands, guys? This is like seriously stuck on my hands. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, stop eating the powdered sugar. I'm gonna need this. I need powdered sugar to make this. Alright guys.
You have a lot of powdered sugar in here.
So we're just gonna figure out how to rip this apart. Like, this is not all the slime, guys, that I'm taking off right now. Like, totally not. It keeps sticking. No! Guys, why is this so sticky? I should have put powdered sugar all over my hands. Ugh. Did you hear that crack? Guys, I can't get this off of my hand. Oh, okay. I got an idea. Yeah, that's
this?
Ah, no! Guys! Let's just let that dribble off. Okay, guys. Alright. I can't get this off. I think I might have marshmallow hands forever now. Guys, I seriously cannot get this off of my hands. This might have to be stuck on here forever. Alright guys, so right now this is gonna take a while, so I will be back to you guys once I get this off of my hair. Alright guys, so I just washed my hands and put powdered sugar on it now so I can knead with it. Knead it just so it's not that sticky. The reason why it's not as much slime as before, that's because most of it was sticking to my hands, so I had to wash it off. You can check out the bloopers at the end of this video. Do not dare skip to the end to check out the bloopers to see what happened behind the scenes getting this off. Our mom just randomly came over and played a clip. So, smush kaboob. So staba. Guys, I think it's ready to eat. So, I'll see you in a second when I have some family members in here trying this at a time. Whoop! Ah. Alright, guys. So, my brother is going to come in and try it. My sister is being too mean and she didn't want to. So, let's just move this bad boy apart just like that. You could take more. Actually, I'll take more. Actually, okay. So, guys, on one, we're gonna try this. You ready? So we each get a tiny piece. 3, 2, 1.
It tastes like fondant.
Yeah, but you know what fondant is? It's like a cake decoration thing. I kind of taste like that. It's okay, guys. So, yeah. Whoop out! Okay, guys. So, that was it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, press the bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and comment down below, like Bob the Builder, what you want me to do in the future. So, I haven't done this in a while. It's time for a bonus good day. So, can you mix them around? Alright, you ready? Okay. I picked this one! Alright guys, so here was my squish eyes. So it's a pink macaron. Alright guys, so till the next time, be wise! Take it, Bob. Yay! Yes! But I still got some up. Okay, put it down. Because I still gotta do stuff. Okay. No! No! No!
Come on.
Wait. Hold on. Yes. Okay.